How to fix Facebook Messenger switch accounts. First thing, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it. After that, go back and open the settings on your phone. Go to the Apps Manager. When you open the apps, now you have to wait a few seconds right here on this page. After it gets finished, now scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger. Click on Facebook Messenger like this, click on First Stop, and then click on Permissions, enable all the permissions. Go back, click on Data Usage, enable all these options here again, and then go back, click on Storage, wait a few seconds, it will start computing the number of the data, and then click on Delete and delete like this. And last thing you want to do is go to the power usage details and click down here on force stop, and also make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. Don't forget to like, subscribe.